Hi, welcome to 360 Lifestyle Coach Mr. Ijaz Akram. I'm Zahid, and we are going to talk about how to work on yourself to develop a heavenly personality. This is part 4 of the series. Welcome, Mr. Ijaz Akram.
Thank you very much. Straight away, we are going to talk about that. We have left on 44 point. Now it's 45. Forgive us. Seekers of forgiveness at dawn, when they commit an indecency or wrong themselves, remember Allah and ask forgiveness for their sins, and who forgive sins except Allah. And they do not persist in their wrongdoing while they know will not knowingly repeat. So they will not knowingly repeat they did. So then 47 is fort, 48 is friend. Friend. The believing men and believing women are friends of one another. They advocate virtues, forbid evil, perform the prayers, practice charity, and obey Allah and His Messenger. These Allah will have mercy on them. Allah is noble and wise. It's number 9, chapter 71, verse in the Quran. Unquestionably, Allah's friends have nothing to fear, nor shall they grieve. It's 10th surah and 62 verse. So, number 49 is gives. They give charity, zakat regularly, give aims, spend in prosperity, ease, and adversity and hardship, and there is a good news for them. 50 is great determination. Great determination. 51 is grateful. Gratefulness, that's a brilliant quality which everyone should have, must have. All these qualities we should have if you want to go to heaven, if you want to develop your personality, a heavenly personality. So work on yourself, put all these qualities inside of you, act upon them, visualize them. Okay, and 52 is guided ones. Guided ones, when a disaster strikes, calamity affects them, say, indeed we belong to Allah, and indeed to Him we will return. Upon these are blessings and mercy from their Lord. These are the guided ones. So guided ones, they have patience. They believe even on hardships, they are not left alone. So they are the guided one. 53 is guard against evil. Guard their chastity private parts. And 54 is happy. Rejoice, delighting, happy. And next one is happily busy. Hear the response of the believers. We hear and we obey. These are the successful. First, you need to be happy. I'm a 360 lifestyle coach. As I always says, if you are on the top, there shouldn't be any arrogance. If you are on the bottom, there shouldn't be any disappointment. Stay in the middle and stay happy, and be happily busy in life. And next one is 55. Hear the response of the believers. We hear and we obey. These are the successful. And hearts find comforts, satisfaction in the remembrance of God. Hearts find comfort, satisfaction in the remembrance of God. Who? Satisfaction in the remembrance of Allah, in the remembrance of God. Those who believe and whose hearts find comfort, satisfaction in the remembrance of Allah. Surely it is in the remembrance of Allah that hearts find comfort, satisfaction. Number 57 is hearts tremble. 57 is hearts tremble. Hearts tremble, those whose hearts tremble when Allah is mentioned, and those who endure patient what has befallen them, and those who perform the prayers and spend from what we have provided for them. 22:35. 22 is surah, a chapter you can say, and 35 is the verse. So if there is a difficulty, and they bear patience, their hearts tremble. Next one is honor. Honored. Honor, whose desires honor. Whoever desires honor, all honor belong to Allah, belong to God. Whenever his Lord tests him and honor him and prospers him, he says, my Lord has honored me. It's 88 and 15. 88 is surah and 15 is the verse. Then there is a humble. This humbleness is heavenly quality. Humble announces good news to the humble. Humble in their prayers, walk the earth in humility, and hold fast to Allah. Is next one. Hold fast to Allah. Next one is hold other fast to the book. They are hold fast. Inexhaustible. Such is our bounty, inexhaustible. Next one is the quality in human people, in heavenly people, is integrity. Integrity acts with integrity. Act with integrity. These are the heavenly personality qualities. Then is inspired. Inspired, revealed. Next one is intelligence. Possess intelligence that you may succeed. Possess intelligence that you may succeed is a fifth chapter 100 verse. Implores Allah for forgiveness. Next one is join what Allah has commanded to be joined. Next one is keep Allah's limit. Keep Allah's limit. Then 68 is kindness. Kindness, heavenly personalities, they are kind. Remember this. And 69 is knowledge. Firmly rooted in knowledge. Those who received knowledge know that what is revealed to you from your Lord is the truth, and it guides to the path of the majestic, the praiseworthy. Next one is 70 light. Light, excuse me, a light by which you walk, light is streaming before them. Our Lord complete our light for us. Praise for them. That's the light. Thank you very much. And this was the fourth. In the fifth video, we will talk the rest of them. It's 135 total. This is 70 we are leaving. Subscribe the channel, YouTube channel the 360 Lifestyle Coach for our next videos, please. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mr. Ijaz Akram.
Thank you.